Want to learn how to add keyframes in CapCut? Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to add keyframes in CapCut. Now let's get started. Open CapCut and tap on New Project. Select the media file you want to use for your project. Then tap on Add. Tap on the clip in the timeline. Then move the playhead to where you want your first keyframe. Now tap on the keyframe button to add it, which looks like a diamond. To animate the position, move the playhead to the different point of the timeline. And then drag the clip to a new position. New keyframe will be created. You can keep many keyframes according to your preference. Now preview the video. By following these steps, you can easily add keyframes in CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.